Let's take a look at your complete Bose sound system settings in your 2025 Hyundai Sonata N-Line. To adjust your Bose sound system settings, scroll over to the right, Setup, Sound. Here's where you can set your dynamic speed compensation, startup maximum volume limit. You could adjust the position. You set your tone, adjust your treble, give it a little bit of bass. Here's your guidance. As you take a phone call, you can have your navigation guidance guide you as you're talking on the phone. If you don't like how that sounds, you can just manually turn it off as it is now. Here's your navigation volume priority and mute navigation guidance. So while you're talking on the phone, if you don't want to hear your navigation, you don't have to have it on, but if you want direction as you're talking on the phone, here's where you'll be able to adjust your settings. Active sound design. It modifies the perceived engine and road noise. Right now it's set to off. You could change it to smallest change, moderate change, largest change. Radio noise. Sets the noise control method for the radio. You could either select from original sound, minimum noise reduction, or maximum noise reduction. Driver assistance, warning volume adjustment, haptic warning, lane safety audible warning, driving safety priority, and parking safety priority. Last but not least, your connected devices. Here you're able to see your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, ringtone, navigation guidance, voice prompts. So these are all sounds that you're able to adjust with your sound setting. Thank you for watching. Until next time.